slightly crispy and filled with delicious stuffing. Kochuri is the king, right from motorshoti during winter to any kind of dals all through the season. There are many different kinds of kochuri, but I think just the basic Heeng-er Kochuri itself is so delicious and so good. Make this dough with a mix of maida and aata. And when you dip your finger, it needs to come back up slowly. The stuffing of Heeng-er Kochuri is made with urad dal or urad dal paste with ginger, chilies, hing and fennel as the flavor combinations. Roll them till they are thin without any tear, and then deep fry these kochuris. You have to have it with little bit of chola dal, like the mishti dukan chola dal, the sweet little spicy chola dal, and it's oh so good.